Hello guys and welcome to WP Tech. I'm Rahman. So for downloading the Elementor Pro, you will go to sogam.com. But before downloading that, I will request you please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of very amazing videos that will gonna come in future. So let's get started. For downloading the Elementor Pro, you will come to Chrome and search for sogam.com, a website sogam.com, and it will come. Press enter. Here you will scroll down and as you can see the Elementor Pro, click on that and you will go to this page, scroll down and here you will get the download link of Elementor Pro. Click on that and from here you can download the Elementor Pro. Click on free download and it will download the Elementor Pro for free. Click on downloadable button and it will go to the drive. It will take some time because it will go to the drive and drive takes time, also dependent on the internet connection. Yeah, it is coming. Click on that, start download, and it will download the files for you. I will remind you one thing, that you will not install the Elementor from the WordPress search bar. You will download the Elementor from that package. From that package you will receive both Elementor and Elementor Pro, and you will download that Elementor that will get from the drive. You can get it anytime. And paste the Elementor Pro package on that. From here you can extract the files of that. Right click, extract files. Okay, press OK and it will extract the files for you. From files you will download first Elementor Pro and then Elementor. I will show you, as I will download from WordPress. As you can see, Elementor and Elementor Pro is not available for me. For your assurance, I can hover plugins and click on add new. For here I can choose upload plugin, choose file and choose the file that we will paste in the downloads, compressed files, and here you can see Elementor Pro. You can see the package files and first download the Elementor Pro. Install now. As I will show you the website. They are very amazing and free premium variant themes are available over here. As you can see, themes and plugins for absolutely free, and they are premium. The Windows 10 activation key for free. Many things are available over here for absolutely free. Our Pro variant is also downloaded. Yeah, you can click on active plugin and it will be downloaded. After downloading the Elementor Pro, you will download the Elementor that we have downloaded from the drive. Not downloaded the Elementor from search bar, downloaded the Elementor from drive. If you can download the Elementor from the WordPress search bar, it will not work. I will remind you, download the Elementor and it will have 100% guarantee. And I will also show the active license of that as the Elementor downloaded. It will take some time to become compatible with Elementor Pro. because it is a crack, so it will also take some time, but there's no virus in that. Go to Google and search total virus and check the dat files. You can click on active plugin. If you want to get the Visual Composer and WP Bakery for absolutely free, as you can see, it is available over here. You can watch the videos that will create it in future. I will make this video on tomorrow. Also, you can go to my channel and see that videos, and I will show you Elementor license, and you can see it is active. I can also show it from the use of that, as I will edit it with Elementor Pro. And I will show you also the use of that. As you can see, as I will hover over that icon, it will not go me to buy the premium variant. It could because I have downloaded the active 100% playback guarantee of premium variant. As I will drag and drop it over here, you can see the posts, as I will also show you the other for your measurement. As you can see, Pro, and that all the elements should be working. Flipbox, as I will paste it over here, it will be working. Yeah, I will also show you some other elements for your measurement. The side icons, yeah, that is also Pro, and as you will see, they are also working. As I will show this sitemap, and as you see, they are working. So please comment me how does this video look like to you. And for downloading the premium version of Visual Composer and WP Bakery, you will also see my videos that will create in future, or I think for downloading the WP Bakery and Visual Composer premium version, you will see the videos that I will create tomorrow. Go to my channel and search for that and get the Visual Composer and WP Bakery premium version. So take care. Goodbye.